Tired of AI tools giving you outdated or generic answers? ChatGPT and Deepseek AI are smart, but they have limits. Enter Grok AI, Elon Musk's brainchild that takes it to the next level. With real-time access to X, Twitter, and advanced reasoning, Grok delivers more accurate, up-to-date responses tailored to the latest trends. It's free and can generate code, create apps, build websites, and design images. Curious how it outsmarts the rest? Let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for Grok AI. Then click very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Grok AI. Grok AI is a more powerful chatbot than other chatbots. We can use Grok to attach files and get useful information, perform advanced searches, and reason. Let the model take its time. We can use Grok for research, data analysis, image creation, and coding. Let's start by creating images. For that purpose, click on Create Images. In a prompt bar, let's type Draw an image of man with his family at park and children are playing. Grok AI, take a few seconds to generate images. So that patiently boom, here is our result. Using Grok AI, generate 4 different variations of images. Let's see every image. The images are like real images. We can select one according to our need, and then click on Save after downloading. Boom. Here is our final result. We can also regenerate image. We can copy like of images. We can share images. Next, we want research about anything for that purpose. Click on Research. In prompt bar, let's type research about Bitcoin and future prediction about Bitcoin. And then press Enter. Grok AI will deep search for our query. So wait patiently. First of all, Grok AI will think about Bitcoin and collect information about Bitcoin, and then understand the request after that. Analyzing predictions. Here, our research is ready. We can see. Here, everything is in a detailed form. Here we can see 10 results are found, and we can see 30 web pages searched by Grok AI. Here we can see into about Bitcoin. After that, how does Bitcoin work? In future prediction of Bitcoin at the bottom, we can see predictor name, prediction time frame, and Grok AI will also show source where Grok AI will get information. Here are also mentioned key citation. We can see different citation. We can use these citation for research. Next, we want data analysis. For that purpose, click on Data Analysis. Here are also suggested prompt. We will go through one of the suggested prompt. Grok AI will take a few seconds to analyze the data. So wait patiently. Here we can see Grok AI will analyze and show the data using 4 posts of X and 20 web pages search. Here are detail about Bitcoin. Bitcoin during past crises, we can also see everything details about Bitcoin. At the end, we can see conclusion about Bitcoin. Next, click on Attach File. We can upload files using drag and drop. Click on Select File. From your computer system, select one file and click on. Open it. Take a few seconds to upload. After uploading complete, in a prompt bar, we will type, I need summary it. Take a few seconds to generate summary about our file. So wait patiently. Here, our summary is ready. Using Grok AI, we can extract useful information within seconds. Here at the top, overview. After that, the purpose. And at the end, the conclusion. This is the beauty of Grok AI. Now I will type in a prompt bar. Now I need important dates and research papers and press Enter. Well, here our research dates are mentioned. Using Grok AI, we can extract information according to our need without studying whole research paper. Next, we want generate code. For their purpose, click on Code. In prompt bar, let's type, help me. Write a code for simple calculator in Python, and then press Enter it. Take a few seconds to generate code about our query. So wait patiently. Here, our code is ready. We can use this code anywhere we want. We can also generate different codes. Here we see full code about simple calculator, and also basic operations or show. And at the end, we can see example. Next, we want website. Let's type Write a simple code for my clothes brand website in HTML and CSS. Grok AI will take a few seconds to generate website code for our brand here. Overcode is ready. We can use this code anywhere here at the top. We can see website, click on preview to show the website. At right side, we can see the code, and left side. We can see the website of our brand. We can also see the website in laptop and mobile view. Using Grok AI, we can generate such type of website for our brand. We can use Grok AI for data analysis. Generate standing images for free. It's totally free. Try it yourself and let us know your thought in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. AI Ustad 2.0.